Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud.
Good morning, barefoot running people, Faces of Day family. It is me, David Scoggins, here. It's an overcast, dreary, gloomy morning, and we're out here at Riverwalk Park. Just gonna chat a little bit today and go over a few things with the running and the barefoot. And just follow up with me to see everything that's going on lately. So let's go. Take off your shoes and let's have a good early morning short run here at Riverwalk Park.
1.
That's the countdown thing on the app. Anyway, what are we going to talk about this morning here at Riverwalk Park? First thing, a little update. Man, my vlog camera, I don't know what's happening. It's not connecting to my phone here, so I can't download the video. So now I got to use my cell phone to do videos, and I got to remember how to get back here to the exit too. Yeah, my vlog camera doesn't seem to be syncing, so there's an issue with that. So I don't know how many running videos I'm going to be able to do lately. So that's number one. So now we'll go over some things, and yeah, this be in prayer for my vlog camera. Hopefully it can sync with this phone I got. Yeah, first thing we're going to talk about is that your foot landing, when you're landing, running with no shoes, mid-foot and heel landing. Also a cool thing that you want to do here is, like when you run with no shoes, it helps you focus on how your foot lands on the ground, because a lot of times when you see people who are running just sit and watch their foot landing, you know, I'm just talking about a general person with tennis shoes, whatever. Look at that, got a hawk out there. Anyway, so that foot landing, watch how a person's foot swings, because usually, let me see, I think it's that left foot has a swing to it. Like one foot will land straight, the right foot will land straight, and that left foot would swing out. So one foot lands straight.
0.4 miles, 6 minutes, 15 minutes, 34 seconds per mile.
So that left foot would swing out, but that right foot would go straight. And sometimes people land with their heels landing and their ankles roll to the left or to the right. So you can see that more clearly when you see somebody run with their shoes on. But because I'm running with no shoes, now it becomes more evident, and the body will self-correct, and or I can see it and I can make those adjustments So I'm landing a straight pattern as opposed to one foot kicking in or kicking out. We'll see if we can catch somebody. Sometimes you have the option. You can go on the regular path or you can go on a horse trail. I like the horse trail because it's got those little rocks to help to condition my feet.
0.6 miles, 9 minutes, 13 minutes, 52 seconds per mile.
Helps to condition my feet when I run out here. Those little pebbles activate those nerve points at the bottom of the foot. So I like running out here. And sometimes it surprises you because you don't see the larger rocks out there. You guys tell me, how's this vlog coming out? Because I don't have my vlogging camera. I don't know if this is hazy or not. Let's get going. Here comes somebody. Let's see if we can watch those feet.
I told her my favorite calling ever was
So we got the one on the right and one on the left. One on the right, all black. If you look at that left ankle, it collapses and rolls. And they both do heel strikes, but that left ankle collapses and rolls. So that's something you can catch.
You always have to remember your stomach vacuuming. Remember I said to keep the stomach pulled in. Inhale, stick out, exhale. Breathe out. When you breathe out, you want to hold it for a couple of minutes to strengthen those lower abdomen muscles, because those are the muscles that push out. When you pull the stomach muscles in like that and you run, pull it in, your whole body become engaged, because as I'm pulling my stomach in, my spine is becoming rounded and straightening it out, so that's actually syncing and connecting the rest of my body as one unit. So it's not just my legs that are running, but my body is also engaged in the activity as well. So pulling your stomach muscles in, stomach vacuuming, and keeping those feet going in a straight path. Even on these rocks, pick them up, put them down lightly.
.7 miles.
So when you pull your stomach in and you do that vacuuming, what it does is it creates like a twist or a squeeze on the intestines, so it actually helps to clear you out. So the more you practice it, actually the more you have to go to the restroom and your stomach will become flatter. That, along of course with proper diet and everything. So pull your stomach in, squeezes the intestines, helps to clear you out. Flatter stomach, pulls in that pooch, feet going straight ahead. A lot of things going on when you run. And of course that barefoot, nerve endings hitting the ground.
Miles. 27 minutes,
Turnaround point.
35
Look at it.
seconds, 14 minutes, 3 seconds per mile.
How many of you guys are addicted to Starbucks? Let's head back. Starbucks addicts, shame on you. Caffeine headaches. Let's go back. Now comes the critical point in the run, because you're tired now. All those things that we talked about start to fall to pieces. Your feet start swinging all kinds of directions. So this is where that mental toughness comes in. You have to keep refocusing, reacclimating your mind to those same techniques, even when you're tired. Feet straight ahead, stomach vacuuming, pull your stomach in, run with your body, not just your legs. You know why they call it Riverwalk Park? Because on the other side over there, through all those trees, is a nasty, polluted river. No need for me to go over there, just letting you know.
2.9 miles, 39 minutes, 11.
Oh, my feet are starting to feel these rocks down here. The little sharp rocks pushing to the bottom of my foot. Bottom of my foot is starting to feel work now. Ooh, boy. I'm at 3 miles already. Still heading back. Oh man, these rocks.
Here's another one. Look at that right foot. That right foot swings out slightly. That ankle collapses a little bit. So I was telling you about that one leg swinging out.
Oh boy, here comes the uphill. Uphill. Pull the stomach in. Still. Pull the stomach in. Use your core. Try those legs.
4 miles, 50 minutes, 57 seconds, 11.
Here we go. Sprinty. All right. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for coming along out here at Riverwalk Park. Thought I was going to do 2 miles, but it turned into 4. So if you're not doing anything, get up, get out and do it. This is Faces of Dave. Hope this phone camera worked okay. Still working on that vlog camera. Take care. Have a great morning. Faces of Dave is out of here.